With 110 points coming into round 5, the finale with Sparks Racing is our man in blue, Abhimanyu from Jind. Abhimanyu currently standing in pole on a very, very happy note. It's an early morning here, 10 o'clock. And Abhimanyu, you've got a strong contention with Team Motomaniacs. Venkatesan is in the lead, but it's a twist of the tail with a double point section this round. So what's the plan?
The plan is to win, nothing else. I can't control someone else, so what they're going to do, they'll do, but I'll do my best and I'm going for the win. It's not over till it's over.
Agreed. So we're going to wait for the checkered flag, but how did practice and qualifying feel?
Everything went like according to me, the bike is perfect, everything is perfect. Only thing missing is the win.
All right, we wish you all the best. That's Abhimanyu Gautam from Sparks Racing on the number 88 Yamaha R15. A quick look at our grid. Number 88 in P1, number 3 in P2, number 59 Venkatesan in P3. We're looking at about 45% of cloud cover. Well, we have the long siren and the 1 minute board is out from the start marshal. Looks like even the wildlife wants to have a quick look at this massive, massive grid. We see a dog running across the barricade there. Abhimanyu will have green flag and he's off. A good start from Manoj White there as he clocks in ahead from the inside of Venkatesan at the moment. S. Arvind closing behind with Alvin Sundar, Anish Samsung and Vijay S. from Salem taking charge of the front row. We're seeing a lot of mid-pack action coming in from the Alpha Racing boys. We're trying to get ahead in the mix. They've been having a good run this season, bringing in young talent and developing them as a stepping stone in this category. We've had the lawnmower out. The grass is looking much better today. And it's clear skies here. In the meantime, out there in the front, number 88 taking an early start there. Manoj Vai going in a little too close to comfort. It's a little bit of shoulder bashing between Abhimanyu and Manoj Vai at the moment. A quick question is, where is Venkatesan? As he had a pit lane start, he had to wait until all the bikes clear the pit lane and then only can he get out and start his race. So he's got a lot of ground to cover up. 6 laps. If you ask me, not enough time for him to make up good cover. The interesting bit here is it's a double point structure, so if he does not finish in the top point order, he would be walking out of this race without any real points. This is a massive grid, ladies and gentlemen. We have the youngest rider here, 12 years old, all the way from Satara, Ikshan Sanket, who's currently in 37th. He's moved up a position at the moment. Well, the good thing is he can reach the bike, so he does not have to start from the back of the grid, even if he is qualified a little ahead. At the moment, Sparks Racing Abhimanyu is going to have a quick and a big, big smile as he leads the charge this race. We're seeing a lot of action coming in. S. Arvind at the moment, who had a good start, looking very strong through sector 2 with the 54.52, while Abhimanyu with the 54.60. All in all, a lot of action coming in from P1, P2 at the moment. Abhimanyu taking the charge in this race with number 33, Anish Samsung there from Bengaluru for Speed Up Racing in P3 and trying to get ahead on the inside at turn 1 ahead of S. Arvind, who's definitely looking a lot stronger today. A lot of action coming in between the Alpha Racing teammates. 4 bikes all in all getting into turn 1 there, a mix-up of sorts, but all of them coming out quite comfortably. At the moment, Abhimanyu looking at a comfortable lead, at least 3 bike lengths over his competition, Anish Samsung, who's clocked in the fastest last time around with the 2:14.067, with Abhimanyu at a 2:15.015. About 600th of a second difference between the two at the moment. Can Anish Samsung make up good cover? But he's getting a lot of heat and pressure from S. Arvind and Alvin Sundar, who's trying to close in on them at the moment. A strong fight happening for P2 at the moment. At this rate, Abhimanyu will be looking to edge out and squeeze out a little more gap between him and the rest of the pack. As we can see, Anish Samsung there getting a little bit of heat coming from number 69, Alvin Sundar. We're still trying to figure out where Venkateshan, who currently is in 39th as far as timing shows, he's got a lot of ground to cover up, but with a grid this big and so spaced out, it would be very difficult for him to make up that ground. Was it a ploy in their strategy? Well, coming into the fifth round with the lead, there is no room for error. That's a little bit too hot coming into turn 10 for bike number 72. Almost taking out the other rider with him. At the moment, a good fight going on here between number 22 and 38 at the moment. That's a fight for P3 between number 36 and number 22. Number 3, Manoj Vai, who clocked in at P2, who qualified in P2, is having a quick look and has lost a little bit of ground last time around. Abhimanyu Gautam quickly responding to a very strong contention. Looks like one of the boys are out there, and from the looks of it, it was number 22 running out wide there. Looks like he lost the front and managed to wipe out. We'll wait for a quick look at the replay, but disaster for number 22. He was looking quite strong there. That's Hari Prasad RS, who is coming in very strong. A good fight, a good showdown from him last time around. If you've just checked in, Hari Prasad, number 22 from Team Racer, has crashed out at turn 3 there. Was going in quite aggressive, trying to get ahead of both Arvind and Manoj at the moment. Manoj Vai has lost a little bit of momentum, clocking in with 209.855 last time around. In the meantime, we see a little bit of action coming in from Team Moto Maniacs. As it stands in P1, Abhimanyu Gautam leading the charge on this race with a 209.434. Anish Samsung from Speed Up Racing will be quite happy in P2 at the moment. In P3, number 22, Hari Prasad. In P4 is Ashrit Yadav. In P5 is number 52, Amal. So far, as we come up to the midsection of this race, Abhimanyu Gautam clocked in the fastest with a 209.434 and with an average speed of 103.3 kilometers per hour. Let's not forget, these are stock bikes, and 100% on this grid is the Yamaha R15, the tried and tested. We've seen 3 generations of this motorcycle in the stock up to 165cc category. It's a 208.655. He has responded to the entire 40 bike grid over here. Abhimanyu Gautam looking very strong this morning and leading this charge. Anish Samson trying to hold the fort down there in P2, but is definitely getting a lot of pressure from number 36 S Arvind and Manoj Vai, who's not letting this go. Number 59 has managed to do a lot of miracles this morning and has managed to step up the pace and get into P11 at the moment, all the way from P40. He's got still 2.5 laps left. Can he get into the points table and still squeeze that championship lead a little more? It would be highly difficult at the moment as it stands. There's a 38-point difference between Abhimanyu and Venkateshan at the moment. With the way it currently stands, Abhimanyu could stretch his lead with this race if Venkateshan is out of the points table. That would make it a very dramatic final race later on this weekend. At the moment, back in the front row, we have Abhimanyu, who's leading the charge. He's looking very comfortable on the Sparks Racing stock Yamaha R15 with Anish Samson. They're getting a lot of pressure from Manoj Vai, who's quickly woken up the second half of this race. Number 69, Alvin Sundar, trying to do everything possible for Team Moto Maniacs at the moment, with his teammate lagging behind but making quick ground and trying to get ahead in the top 10. There's number 69, our champ, our Alvin Sundar, who's getting into the inside of bike number 19. That's Lal Rengwapa from Aizawl. He's come a long way to join us in the Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2019. Alvin Sundar there looking very strong. Looks like he's going to be the top runner for next year's stock up to 165cc category for Team Moto Maniacs. Currently in P6. He's moved up a position after turn 1, but he's got a lot of ground to cover up. Back in the front, Anish Samsung putting up a brave fight, not letting his defense or his guard down. He's definitely giving Manoj Y a big run for his money. In the meantime, S. Arvind trying to quickly and somehow manage to keep the pace there and stick around with them. Last time around, Anish Samsung clocking in with a 209.558. Well, that's his fastest this race. Coming in on the outside is S. Arvind trying to quickly catch up on the back straight there. Catch the slipstream, getting in on the outside. Well, it's a risky move at this point of time, owing to the right-hander that's right in front, but he's definitely got a faster pace there last time around. Manoj Y definitely looking stronger through Sector 1, and as we move into the end of Sector 2, it's a close shootout fight between Anish and Manoj. In the meantime, our championship contender, number 88 from Sparks Racing, will be looking to make his team quite happy at the moment. It's bike number 7 on screen, taking in. Well, it's such a big grid at the moment. We have a little bit of news at the moment. Competition number 93 has a jump start. Well, it's going to be a right-through penalty for him. It's competition 93. Competition number 93 has a jump start. That's Uday Prakash from Coimbatore, who will be looking to have a right-through penalty. In the meantime, for P2 is the fight in front of us. We have our first blue flag out. The backbencher has been overtaken by our race leader. That's Veera Ashwin Lal, bike number 24, who's been overtaken by Abhimanyu at the moment. In the meantime, Manoj Y has quickly gained some access with the last lap. It's going to be a last corner shootout between Anish and Manoj Y. Can S. Arvind quickly and somehow, owing to his first P4, he did say earlier on in the morning that he missed out on a lot of podiums this championship, and he will be looking to close in on the finale with a podium finish. Well, in the meantime, we've got a lot of fight coming in and a very aggressive move. The yellow flag out there looks like we have an incident, no overtaking through that section. I'm guessing this footage is definitely going to be under close scrutiny at the moment. The racers cannot forget the flag violations that are in. Well, green flags back out. It's an open track right now, halfway through the last lap. Will it be Manoj Y or can Anish Samsung regain confidence? Well, he's standing third in the championship. He's got 92 points. And he could stretch his way and get onto a lead in this championship structure. We could see a change in order after the checkered flag. Well, it's still anybody's race. We've got a couple of corners left. Well, in the meantime, as I said, S. Arvind was looking to take a podium finish this race and grab some valuable points. Let's not forget it's a double point structure last time around. And we're seeing a lot of contention there. A little bit of tip-off coming in from both these bikes at the moment. That's Anurag Lal Ruangwappa and Alvin Sundar there in the fight for P5 at the moment. In the meantime, our race leader and a quick wave to the fans out there. Number 88, Abhimanyu Gautam for Sparks Racing taking victory. With P2 going in for Manoj Y and P3 for Anurag Jaiswal. And taking victory today for Sparks Racing, the man in blue, number 88 from Jind, Abhimanyu Gautam. Abhimanyu, absolutely stunning race, marvelous job. I mean, you had a Decent start. Manoj definitely had a better start, but I think you got the better of him through turn 4 at lap 1. So, how did the race go for you?
It was difficult, but then I knew what I had to do. So I did some mistakes in the last round. I thought I won't make it again. So it was like that. I just pushed, so there was not much fight. One corner in C4 it was there, but then there was no fight. I was racking in fast laps, and then last lap I saw back and there was like a huge gap. So then I rolled off.